All right, I am going to work on another recipe using up the strawberries we got at Eckert's. This is actually the least amount of strawberries I'll be using. It's 1/2 cup of thinly sliced strawberries. But I was browsing the internet and I found this recipe. It's called strawberry brownies. It looked really good, and so I thought I would give it a try. And it's really not that many ingredients. So it's 1 box of strawberry cake mix, 1 egg, 4 ounces of cream cheese. This is 8 ounces, so I will cut this in half. And then, what was this? 1/3 cup of oil or butter. I'm choosing to use oil. So you mix all these ingredients. It will make a thick batter, and then you spread it in your brownie pan. And then you put these strawberries on top. Bake it at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. So it sounds pretty simple. And I don't know, it just looked intriguing to me, so I'm gonna give it a try. This is all the ingredients mixed together except for the strawberries. So it is very thick. It is more like a dough than a batter. The couple recipes I read did say that it is a thicker batter, but I would definitely call this a dough. So now we press it into the brownie pan, which I guess it's not really a brownie pan, a small dish, an 8x8, that I use to cook brownies in normally. So press this into the pan, and then you put the sliced strawberries on top. All right, here is the pan with the batter and the strawberries pressed on top. Final step is to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes until the edges are a golden brown and the strawberries are a little dried out. So I don't know, the batter is really thick, so I'm definitely curious to see how this is going to turn out. All right, I did bake the brownie mixture for the full 20 minutes. I started at 15 and I just thought it didn't look done enough, so I did do the 20 minutes. My oven just isn't as hot as other ovens, so that's why whenever there's a recipe that has a range of minutes, mine always seems to be the most minutes, but I think it looks pretty darn good. The side, it looks done. Now I'm just gonna let it cool down before doing a taste test. That's a big piece. They're still kind of warm. I'm impatient. It's still a little loose because it's very warm, but I normally eat a warm brownie, so that. And there is cream cheese in it. I'm assuming that's what that white this is. Or did I not cook it all the way? Let's see. All right, here we go. It's still warm, so I'm hoping that's why it's soft. I don't know. I think it's cooked all the way. It's interesting. So that was 20 minutes. I didn't wait for it to cool down. It does taste cooked all the way. It's just very soft. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It just tastes like a strawberry version of ooey gooey butter cake, which you might not be familiar with that if you're not from St. Louis, because it's a St. Louis thing. I really like it. It's kind of hard to explain. I'm not for sure why the recipe calls it a brownie, because in my mind, brownies are like chocolate. But I guess it does kind of have the texture of a brownie. The strawberries on top are really good. It's different. Am I gonna add it to my like regular desserts? No. I don't love it that much. It was pretty interesting though. I don't know. Maybe I will make it more. I think it would be better if I would have mixed the strawberries in with it. I think that would have been really good. All right. That's strawberry brownies. Pretty good. Not my most favorite dessert, but it's interesting. I'm eating it. I like strawberry cake. I have baked that strawberry cake before. So adding the cream cheese and giving it the brownie texture is pretty unique. I think the only thing I would do different is, like I just said, besides having the strawberries, the fresh strawberries decorating the top, I wish I would have intermingled some into the batter too. But on the other hand, I don't know if that would have been possible because it was a very thick batter. I don't think I could have mixed the strawberries in without pretty much destroying them. It's good though. All right. I gotta figure out what strawberry recipe I want to try next. See you later. All right, quick addition. Robert just tried a piece. He agrees it's very soft, but he does think it's cooked all the way. I think that's just the recipe. Maybe. Why do you think it's called brownies when there's no chocolate in it?
I don't know. Why don't they call it a what do they call it? A blondie.
A blondie. I said it's like a strawberry ooey gooey butter cake.
A blondie with.
But there's no butter in it. There could have been with pink highlights. What is a blondie?
A blondie with pink highlights. Yeah.
I've heard of a blondie. Is that like a?
That's like a brownie, except it doesn't have the chocolate in it.
Okay, so it's a strawberry blondie brownie. What?
There's no brown in it though.
Okay, whatever it is, it's good. Robert really liked it. I don't know that I would make it again, but it was only 5 ingredients. So that's pretty easy experiment if you don't like it. We will actually eat it all. I'm gonna see if it firms up after an hour because like I said, I was too impatient and the recipe said to let it cool down and it is definitely still warm on the bottom. So that's it. I just wanted to add Robert's opinion. He likes it. I like it. I still prefer strawberry shortcake though. It is the best way to eat strawberries.